Only tag team contest is scheduled for one fall. Approaching the ring. Their opponents, One Warrior, One Warrior, Animal.
Look at the eyes of Animal. He can't wait to start this out.
You should see some good tag teaming between these two. With over 2 decades of Royal Rumble pay-per-views, each year's event is better than the last.
Animal's not just big and strong. This guy's also as mean and nasty as they come. Oh, look out!
You know, there's just so much at stake for these teams in this match. A win in this one is absolutely huge.
Animal is so dangerous. When he can target and cut down an opponent with his strength and power, you know the end isn't far away. There's the tag. These competitors trying to keep their wits about them. And there's the submission. Did he fight out?
He's wearing him down with a very effective submission hold.
And there's the release. What's going to happen now?
I'm scared to ask.
What a match. And there's the submission. This might be it.
There's no escaping this. Oh, this is bad.
And there's a tag. His partner doesn't have much left, and he might need to do this one on his own. Watch out here. And there's the count. This match is being televised around the world in 18 languages in over 110 countries. The big man, Road Warrior Hulk.
You know he's strong, but he's surprisingly fast and agile, too.
A swinging neck breaker.
Now that's how you do it.
Smash loves to work people over with his power and size. Oh my gosh! Watch it!
Uh-oh.
So far, this has been a very competitive tag team match.
Wow! Smash gets a big counter.
What's he up to here? Whoa, whoa! He scored with that one. Tremendous action in this match. That's one of the most vulnerable people that ever. Whoa! And he fights his way out. And there's the save. tag team contest underway. Both of these teams have been very game so far.
It's still not through. Oh, no, that slam didn't look pretty. There's some serious power right there. What a tag team match this has been.
In the ropes, and that may have been the only escape. Whoa. Animal squeezing down on the head.
Man, this is one of those matches you just like to sit back and enjoy watching. Big move time. Everything about Smash is intimidating. His ring attire, his face paint, his name. You know when you see this guy in the ring, you're in deep trouble. Oh, an elbow drop. Animal's headed back up. Oh, wow. Perfectly executed. I mean, that's how you pick your moment and go for it. Straight. Oh, man. I thought he might have been knocked out right there. There's another swing. He's going to take another chance. No! Oh, he got him. Oh, what's he going to do to follow that up? It's got to be history. Is he still even conscious? Oh, man.
What a hellaciously physical match these gladiators have put each other through.
The intensity of this has been incredible.
Just a bit slow, and Smash capitalizes.
We got a tag. Oh, did you see that? His body twisting and turning in a sickening way. Uh-oh. Power slam by Animal.
And he gets into the ropes.
In this state of mind, it's downright scary. We saw it all in this match, King, and those repeated blows to the skull have definitely covered here.
One. Oh, no! There's a counter by Axe. Axe with the arm.
An aggressive shot to the midsection.
Axe sporting the face paint, which he uses to help intimidate his opponents.
Oh, he's going to have to block out the pain and hang on. But you look at this, fighting and throwing with every fiber of his being, refusing to submit.
With Axe, we know what to expect. He's not really a game planner. He's a brawler. He's destructive. And if you let him keep going, he'll hurt you.
He almost took his head off with that lariat. Wow. How good is this guy? I just can't get over what we saw. That was so great. And now I have to question if he'll be able to come back after that.
And he tags out.
There's the suplex. He's really been zeroed in on, but he's still showing some signs of life. Punk is all fired up. Ah, look at this. Oh, Smash caught all of that one. He drives the elbow down again.
Smash has the arm.
Submission locked in. And this might be it. Well, the longer he stays in this, the closer he is to losing the match.
He drops the elbow. Drops another one. The veteran Road Warrior gets a great counter. And the ref sees the tag. Hawk comes up with a seasoned reversal. Hawk working the neck. Neck breaker. Hawk nails his patented move. Oh. A stiff shot with the elbow.
Oh, and he lands that one right to the head. Yeah.
And there's the submission hold. Will this do it? You can almost start to see it fading now.
Yeah, with each wrench, this gets closer to being over. You got to cover.
One, two, three. Hawk wins.
Your winners,